Hey there, have you ever wondered what HelloFresh is and how does it actually work? Well, this week I'm breaking it all down so you can see how HelloFresh makes cooking easier and more enjoyable than ever before. Also, if you haven't signed up for HelloFresh yet, you can use my link down below to sign up and get a free box of meals. So what is HelloFresh? Well, HelloFresh is a meal kit delivery service that brings fresh ingredients and easy to follow recipes right to your doorstep. The company started in Germany in 2011 and quickly expanded globally, bringing convenient cooking solutions to millions of households. So, what exactly does HelloFresh do? They provide pre-portioned ingredients and step-by-step recipe cards, making cooking not only easy, but also kind of enjoyable. There's no need to worry about meal planning, grocery shopping, or portioning out ingredients. HelloFresh handles all of that for you. So each week, you'll be able to choose from a wide variety of recipes tailored to things like different tastes, dietary preferences, and skill levels. So are you a meat lover, a vegetarian, or perhaps you're looking for meals that the whole family can enjoy? Well, HelloFresh offers options for everyone. Their menu includes diverse cuisines and flavors, from classic comfort foods to more adventurous dishes, so you can always find something that appeals to your taste buds. Plus, with everything pre-measured and pre-portioned out, you won't have to deal with the hassle of excess ingredients or food waste. HelloFresh delivers exactly what you need to create delicious meals without any guesswork involved. This makes it an excellent option for anyone looking to try new recipes, sharpen their cooking skills, and enjoy the experience of a home-cooked meal without any of the usual fuss. Whether you're a novice in the kitchen or an experienced cook, HelloFresh has something to offer you that can make meal prep both fun and satisfying. So how does HelloFresh actually work? Let's break it down step by step. First, you start by signing up on their website or mobile app where you'll create a subscription. During the sign up process, HelloFresh will ask you about your meal preferences. Are you a vegetarian, looking for family-friendly meals, or maybe trying to stick to a low-calorie diet? You can choose the option that fits your lifestyle the best, allowing you to personalize your meal plans. Next, you'll select how many meals you'd like per week and the number of servings per meal. HelloFresh then offers a variety of menu options to choose from each week based on the preferences you chose. There's always a mix of flavors and cuisines, so you can pick meals that excite you and suit your tastes as well. Whether you want to stick to favorites or explore new dishes, you've got flexibility with HelloFresh's rotating menu. And when your delivery day actually arrives, HelloFresh sends a well-insulated box filled with all of the fresh ingredients you'll need for your selected recipe. Everything is pre-portioned, so there's no need for measuring or guessing quantities. Each recipe comes with a detailed step-by-step card that includes photos to guide you through the cooking process. From prepping ingredients to cooking times, each step is outlined to make following along easy, even for beginners. By the end of it, you'll have a delicious home-cooked meal ready to enjoy without ever needing to set foot in a grocery store. It's as convenient as it gets, letting you focus on the joy of cooking without any of the usual hassle. Choosing your meal plan. One of the best features of HelloFresh is the wide variety of meal plans they offer, catering to diverse tastes and dietary needs. When you first sign up, you're prompted to select a meal plan that aligns with your lifestyle. For instance, if you're aiming to eat healthier, the Fit and Wholesome plan would be perfect for you. This plan offers low-calorie, nutrient-dense meals that are designed to help you maintain a balanced diet. For families, there's the family-friendly plan, which features easy-to-prepare, kid-approved recipes that are sure to please even the pickiest of eaters. And if you're short on time, the Quick and Easy plan provides simple, speedy meals that you can have on the table in about 20 to 30 minutes tops. Each week, HelloFresh curates a range of meals based on your selected plan, but they don't limit your choices at all. You can always swap out meals, add extra servings, or even choose recipes from other plans. This flexibility is fantastic for those who like to switch things up and explore new flavors. You can sample various cuisines, experiment with different ingredients, and even try cooking techniques that you might not have considered beforehand. HelloFresh also understands that life can be unpredictable. That's why they make it easy to manage your subscription. If you need to skip a week, pause your deliveries, or change your meal plan, you can do so effortlessly through your online account. This convenience ensures that you always have control over your meal planning, allowing you to adopt your HelloFresh experience to fit your schedule and needs. With so many options and such flexibility, HelloFresh makes it easy to enjoy home-cooked meals on your terms. Delivery and packaging. HelloFresh absolutely prides itself on delivering fresh ingredients right to your door. But what about the packaging? When your HelloFresh box arrives, you'll notice that everything is carefully packed to keep ingredients fresh and organized. They use insulated liners and ice packs to ensure perishable items like meats or dairy stay at the right temperature during transit. This means you can feel confident that your ingredients are safe to use even if you're not home to receive the box, say, immediately. Inside the package, you'll find each meal is packaged in separate recyclable bags. Ingredients are pre-measured and labeled, making it easy to pull out what you need for each of the recipes. There's also minimal plastic packaging, as HelloFresh is committed to reducing their environmental footprint. Most of the materials are recyclable, which is a bonus for those who want to reduce waste. And with clear, simple labeling, you won't have to dig around for ingredients. It's all organized and ready to go. Cooking with HelloFresh. Well, cooking with HelloFresh is designed to be simple, enjoyable, and stress-free, even if you're not, say, a seasoned chef. Each meal kit includes a detailed recipe card with step-by-step instructions, as well as photos, making it easy to follow along. Most HelloFresh recipes are designed to take around 30 minutes from start to finish, but you'll also find some options that are even quicker or, say, a bit more involved, depending on what you're in the mood for, let's say. You'll start by prepping the ingredients like chopping vegetables or marinating meat before moving on to the cooking steps. The instructions are clearly laid out so you know exactly what to do at each stage. One of the biggest advantages of HelloFresh is that all ingredients are pre-measured and portioned out for you. So you won't have to deal with measuring cups or guessing quantities. This only saves you time, but also reduces the chance of making any mistakes. Plus, the recipes are crafted to make cooking approachable, with tips and tricks on each card to guide you through the process. So if you're ever unsure about a technique or cooking term, the recipe card also has that covered. Another benefit is the variety of recipes. You get to try new dishes and cuisines you might not typically cook on your own. By the time you finish, you'll have a delicious home-cooked meal that feels rewarding and satisfying. There's no need to worry about planning or shopping. HelloFresh makes sure you have everything you need to create a tasty dish from scratch. With HelloFresh, cooking becomes a fun activity rather than a chore, and you'll feel a sense of accomplishment with each meal you make. The benefits of using HelloFresh. There are plenty of benefits to using HelloFresh beyond just convenience. For one, it saves you time. No more meal planning, grocery shopping, or guessing how much to buy. Everything is done for you, so you can spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your meal. Another benefit would be that HelloFresh helps reduce food waste. Since the ingredients are pre-portioned, you're only using what you need for each of the recipes. HelloFresh also gives you the chance to try new dishes and learn new cooking techniques. With a variety of recipes to choose from, you can expand your culinary skills and explore new flavors you wouldn't have before. It's like having a cooking class delivered to your door. And if you're someone who struggles to eat healthy, HelloFresh can make it easier to stick to a balanced diet. The meals are crafted by chefs and nutritionists, ensuring they're both tasty and actually nutritious. So is HelloFresh worth it? So at this point, you might be asking yourself if HelloFresh is worth the investment. While the costs can be higher than traditional grocery shopping, many users find the convenience, quality, and variety make it worthwhile. If you're someone with a busy schedule, HelloFresh can save you time and stress. Plus, you're less likely to spend money on takeout or impulse buys at the grocery store, which can balance out the cost. Another thing to consider is the value of learning to cook. HelloFresh makes it easy to try new recipes, improve your skills, and enjoy home-cooked meals without the need for experience. And for those concerned about sustainability, HelloFresh is focused on eco-friendly packaging, and reducing food waste can be a big plus. Ultimately, it depends on your lifestyle and budget, but for many, the convenience and quality are worth it. And there you have it. Now you know all about what HelloFresh is and how it works. Whether you're looking to save time, eat healthier, or just try something new, HelloFresh has you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking. And also, if you haven't signed up for HelloFresh yet, you can use my link down below and get a free box of meals.